Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlock iOS Tech channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that when you just enter your payment details in your iPhone, and you may face that problem that you just change your payment method. That payment method is declined, so you have to change a payment method and add a new payment method in your iPhone. So you may face that problem in your iPhone. So you have to clear that issue. Simply you have to just follow some steps to do that. Simply you have to just tap on settings and you have to go to the main interface. If you had open something, just go to main interface of your settings of your iPhone, and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just tap on a general and just scroll down and just find a VPN and device management. Just tap on that and then disconnect it from here. After that, just simply go back and just go to the general again and just scroll down and just find a transfer reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and reset the network settings from here. After that, just simply go back and just simply tap on a Apple account and just go to the payment and shipping section. Just tap on that and just wait for a second and just type a password of your Apple account. Just tap on and just wait for a second after entering the password, and you just go to the interface. Here you will may face that problem that your payment method is declined and you have to add a new payment method. So simply after reset the network settings, and after that settings you just type on a new payment method here and just type a number, expiry date of your card, and CVV of your credit card details, and also add a billing address of your card in which you have currently located. So after that input, and after make sure that you just type a country region where you currently live, just like that. I'm currently live in Pakistan, so you have to just go to the region section. After that, just done that and just go to back and just go to the back and just find a language and just wait for a second. Just go to the general section and just scroll down and just find a language and region. Just tap on that and you just see that my region is now currently in Pakistan. To just also type a region in Pakistan in your credit card details. So you just type a credit card details region in Pakistan. Just go back and you're going to go back to your Apple account. Just tap on that and you see that you go to the payment and shipping section. Just tap on that. You just go to that interface and in the billing details just tap on that, and here you just add a country, a region. Just tap on that and just change a region with a Pakistan, and your problem gonna fix. So just done that, and that's it a video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.